Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys my delicious low budget carrot cake recipe. First you'll need 250 grams of flour, a quarter cup of oil, 3 medium carrots, 1.5 cups of sugar, strawberry essence, 4 eggs, vanilla sugar 1 teaspoon, 1 mandarin, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Now that I've got all my ingredients, I'll go ahead and peel my carrots, cut them into pieces and blend them. If you don't have a blender, you can use a grater. At this point, I'm beating my eggs into a bowl with a handheld mixer. If you don't have a handheld mixer, you can use a whisk. Then add 1.5 cups of sugar into the beaten eggs and mix it. Take a small portion of the blended carrot and add it into the mixture. After mixing in the carrot, I squeeze out the juice from my mandarin and add it into the mixture. Add a quarter cup of oil into the mixture and mix it. In a separate bowl, pour the flour and add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Use a spoon to mix the baking powder and the baking soda with the flour. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar into the wet mixture. Add a few drops of strawberry essence. Empty the flour into the egg mixture. Use the handheld mixer to form a soft paste. Empty the remaining portion of the blended carrot into the mixture and mix. Now that my mixture is set, I decided to add few pieces of raisin or dried grapes. Oil my baking pan and pour the content in it. Here I decided to add more pieces of raisin. That's it guys. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.